Hi folks, it's July and this is my farmer's market seasonal haul. I have some red Swiss chard here, celery, peaches, cherries, carrots, beetroot, broccoli, peppers and new potatoes. Let's do a meal prep for next week. I'm trying to eat more healthy, so I will be focusing on cooking with complex carbs, lean protein and all these vegetables and fruits. We will need a small box of half cherries, maple syrup, lemon juice and 3 peaches cut into slices. Add peaches to the blender with lemon juice and maple syrup. Blend until smooth. There's no need to peel the skins. Fill in the popsicle molds. For cherries, only add a little maple syrup. In case you have frozen cherries, you can add a little bit of water. Don't overfill the molds. Let it freeze for at least 4 hours. Boil the beets for 30 minutes and let them cool down. For the salad, we will need beetroot, pecans, green apples, goat cheese and arugula. Let's make a dressing. Use half a cup of olive oil, 3 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, garlic powder, salt and pepper. Give it a good shake. Start filling the mason jar. Dressing goes at the bottom. Next are beets. Then apples, goat cheese, pecans and arugula. I've chopped up some broccoli, 2 peppers and 1 carrot. Let's start by marinating the tofu. For 1 block of drained tofu, use 1 teaspoon of sesame oil with 1 teaspoon of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. We will also need coconut milk, garlic, onion, 3 teaspoons of sugar, salt, red curry paste and lemon juice. Let's bake the tofu to make it more crispy. Since I still have some space on my baking tray, I will add my peppers as well. Add some salt, pepper and olive oil. Bake at 400 degrees for 30 minutes, turning halfway. Fry the onions with some garlic. Add salt, broccoli and carrots. Add 100 grams of red curry paste and coconut milk and stir. Cook for 10 minutes. Add sugar with some lime juice. Lastly, add the baked tofu and peppers. I will be making brown jasmine rice as a side. For 4 cups of rice, use 8 cups of water. Add a pinch of salt and cook for 15 minutes. We will need 4 garlics, 2 carrots, 3 sticks of celery, 1 big onion, tomatoes, red chili, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 cans of beans, new potatoes, 1 liter of stock and Swiss chard. Fry the onion with some garlic. Add carrots, celery and potatoes. Season with salt and half a teaspoon of chili flakes. Add tomato. Add Swiss chard and cook for at least 5 minutes. Finally add broth and beans and bring to a boil. And here's the completed meal prep. It took quite some time to make, but was definitely worth it. Hope you found this useful and I'll see you on my next update.